The Hardware Resources Plastic Pie Cut Lazy Susan series comes in 24-inch or 28-inch diameter units with all the necessary mounting hardware. Using the template provided, place it on the bottom of the cabinet and pull it up tight behind the face frame. For frameless cabinets, the template will need to be set back 3/4 of an inch. Determine if you are using the A measurements for 24-inch shelves or B measurements for the 28-inch shelves. Mark the two locations on the bottom, and then placing the template on the top of the cabinet, mark all 4 holes for the top mounting plate. With 4 of the number 8 by 1/2 inch screws provided, aligning it on the marks, install the top mounting bracket. Install the lower mounting bracket by aligning the outer slots with the marks and secure with 2 number 8 by 1/2 inch screws provided. Place the first shelf in the cabinet and slide the pull up through the shelf. Using one of the shelf pins, slide it through the upper hole in the shelf and slide the shelf down until the pin is locked in place. If the height adjuster has been pre-installed, remove it at this time. Slide the second shelf on the bottom of the pole. Adjust the height adjuster wheel until it has equal amount of threads on both sides of the wheel. Reinstall the height adjuster and positive stop into the pole, and install the other shelf pin through the pole and lock the shelf into place. Place the bottom of the pole into the center hole of the lower mounting bracket and then slide the pole up tight against the top mounting bracket. Twist clockwise to tighten the twist lock in the pole. Test the rotation of the organizer, making sure the positive stop is correct. If not, lift the shelves up and turn 180 degrees and relock shelves in place. Install the door with number 8 by 1/2 inch screws provided.